Okay, this is gonna be the first test of a prototype of my reflex game. When I plug this in, it should power the Arduino board and this thing. And the Arduino is supposed to well, nothing's supposed to happen when I plug it in. Then when I press this button, the onboard Arduino LED should light up, and this should activate this row of electromagnets, and they should stay activated. I will then try to connect or attach these bolts to the magnets, and when I press the button again, they should start falling in a random order until they're all full. Okay, so here goes nothing. Okay, no smoke, that's good. That's good. The magnets are inactive. Okay, let's see. This should activate the magnets and light up the Arduino onboard LED. Well, the LED is glowing. And the magnets, oh, they're actually active. Cool. I like the strength of them. It's nice. They should have a pull of 3 kilos. Cool. Okay, now when I press it again, they should wait 3 seconds and then they should start falling. 1, 2, 3. The delay is random. Nice. It actually works.